How to track WorldRemit transfer. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can track your transfer that is ongoing on WorldRemit. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you in practically here because I don't have any ongoing transfers, but I'll guide you particularly on where and how to track your transfer. First, you want to head into your website or the app. You can see on website it's worldremit.com, or if you have the app, you can simply open up and log into your account, or on the browser you have to log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in here. Now once here, what you want to do is you want to check the my transfers section on your WorldRemit account. Now here, first head into transfer in progress option at the top of the page. If you have any transfer in progress, you will show up right at the top of the page here. Now what you want to do is you want to select a transfer, you want to tap on it, and then you want to select a transfer that you want to view, and you want to view its status. Now there, what you want to do is, if you are on the app, you can head into transfer in progress as well. That will show at the top of the activity page, right at the home page there, and you want to select a transfer to view its status, and you can track it there. So this way you can track WorldRemit transfer. It's quite easy. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.